In today's video, I'm going to show you how to autofill rows in Google Sheets quickly and easily. Whether you're entering repeating information, copying the same address across multiple rows, or you simply want to save time on data entry, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. I'll guide you through the process slowly so you can follow along without missing anything at all, and by the end of this tutorial you'll feel completely confident using autofill in your own spreadsheets. First, open your Google Sheets and go to the sheet where you want to autofill your data. Once you're there, look for the cell that already contains the information you want to repeat. This could be an address, a name, a number, or any repeated value. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, click on that cell and move your cursor to the small square in the bottom right corner. This is called the fill handle, and it's what allows Google Sheets to autofill for you. Once the fill handle appears, click and hold it, then drag it down to the row where you want the autofill to stop. You'll see a preview as you drag, and when you release your mouse, Google Sheets will automatically populate all the selected rows with the same content. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure the original cell contains exactly what you want to duplicate. Check that there are no filters applied, and double-check that your sheet isn't protected. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues. Once you've completed these steps, look through the autofilled rows to confirm everything copied correctly. After that, you should be able to repeat this process anytime you want to autofill text, numbers, or even formulas without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to test autofill with different types of data, because Google Sheets can detect patterns like dates and sequences. Taking this extra step helps you understand how powerful autofill can be and keeps your workflow smooth. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to autofill rows in Google Sheets easily and efficiently, no matter how much data you're working with. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might need a faster way to fill their spreadsheets. Why not make someone's day easier?